being surrounded by cats, puddles, and moose. I said we were gonna change these. We didn't. I didn't do anything. We're gonna do them later. I'll just, right here. Okay. Alrighty, yeah. I'm Kel. This is our bus, and we just spent the past year building out to be our dream home on wheels. And that's kind of cool, but what's really cool is the fact that we're taking you along with us, and obviously the bus, all the way across the country and back. So here's your little reminder to subscribe. That way you're like along for the ride. I know. From breakdowns to beavers, this trip has been chaos, but we have also managed to make a few fun stops along the way. Like, I literally had no clue these places even existed. Today we're a little bit all over the place, but I promise it'll all make sense soon. You're gonna want to buckle up though. It's gonna be a wild ride. I think we're headed to another national park?
Gateway Arch.
I've honestly never heard of it.
The Gateway Arch?
Yeah, where's the Gateway Arch?
It's on the border of Missouri and Illinois in St. Louis. Kids are taking photos of the bus.
It's so cool.
Why? What's up?
What the?
Big arch.
See that? So big. We did it. We made it. What was it called? Where were we?
The Gateway Arch.
It's so zoomed in. Gateway. Oh my. Ratchet. Gateway.
Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch. What was it called? Where were we?
The Gateway Arch.
Gateway. Oh my. Gateway.
Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch was a success. We did it. It was cool. It was a really big arch in the sky.
We did not go up it.
No. You can go up it? Fun fact. I did not. In little things. I think you can like... There was a thing on a thing. Is that... You can literally go inside the thing.
Travel inside of it.
No. No. Thank you. No.
No.
Would you take a shuttle up into the sky? I wouldn't. No, no, no. No, no, no. Thank you. Nope, nope, nope.
Just to say I did it.
No. But now we're headed to REI. I need new boots, new shoes. And maybe not even new, if I can find some in the already
Resale.
loved section, the resale section. But we'll see. We'll see. 30-minute drive?
Yep.
30-minute drive, which means 45 in bus time. You have fun?
Yeah.
All good?
Yeah, it was good. We're like on a private parking side, bus parking that says no parking, but buses allowed.
What?
Ready to drive?
Yeah. So it was not the best situation for parking all those things, but we did it. We good. We got a pass. We parked in a spot we weren't really supposed to, but they let us. The sign technically says buses only.
Yeah. The sign I almost took with us. Except for off.
I got the.
No! Lay down.
We hit a sign.
With the mirror.
With the mirror, it was nothing. Parking is a 0 out of 10, but we got there. Now I think we're gonna. That was too much.
This looks so freaking cool.
I know.
He's not gonna let me over, but thank you, Mr. 50. Another hour 43 in us.
I think so.
I will start driving.
My battery's totally gonna die. Okay, the cats are... Stop it! Ah! Zephyr says he misses you. The curtains are being washed. The cats are bickering on the table. Stop it! Okay, we'll just call it there. Seriously, thank you guys so much for watching. There's a few things you could do to help a girl out. Maybe like this video, leave a comment or two down below letting me know how your week's going, where you think we should stop on this little drive of ours across the country. And then lastly, don't forget to subscribe. That way you know you're always ready for the next adventure. Alright, the cats are like going crazy. I'll see you guys down the road. Bye. We hit a sign.
With the mirror.
With the mirror. It was nothing. Parking is a 0 out of 10.